Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing the teachers how to mark their students' assignment using the G Suite platform. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Let's get into the video. I'm going to be demonstrating from two points of view, the students and the teacher. We're on the teacher's portal and I'm just creating an assignment. So I'm just attaching a file here and I'm making a copy for each student, so you will have an idea of how it will look on the student's point of view or on the student's system. So I'm just going to assign, after which we're going to jump over to the student's account to see what it looks like from there. So the assignment has been posted. So let's hop over to the student's portal. So we're going to be completing the assignment as the student today, just to have an idea of what everything will look like. I'm going to go ahead and go to classwork, click on the assignment and click on view assignment. So from here you will notice that the file has been attached and it has the student's name. We're going to click on that. Have to click on the file in order to see what the assignment is. And remember, we are logged on as the student. So we're going to click the assignment and complete it. We have to open the assignment in Google Docs. And notice that it will give a completely different tab. So once this is open, the student can just go ahead and complete the worksheet and they can exit Google Docs and turn it in. You have to click on Add or Create, go to Google Drive, because we have to attach the file that we just completed in Google Docs. This has to be done because the original attachment was a PDF file, so we had to complete it using Google Docs. So we'd have to go ahead and add the Google Docs and then turn in the assignment. Once the assignment is turned in, it simply means that we're just going to hop back over to the teacher's portal to see the attachment that was uploaded and mark the assignment. Click view assignment. Notice that it says that one is handed in, so it will tell you how many are handed in. What it means by assigned, it's how many students are in the class. So it has a return button right there, and where you see the mouse you can change the marks to ungraded, or you can add more marks to it if you choose to. Click on the attachment. You will notice that this is the original attachment that we had sent to the student. It's in PDF, so you'd have to click on the Google Docs assignment that was uploaded. When we want to input our marks, we can just type it in there. We have a private comments section where we can send comments to the student about the assignment. Let's click on the Google Docs document. That is the completed document from the student. Once that loads, we have the choice of commenting, and with this, it's important to remember that this is the laptop version, so we are marking on the laptop now, and we're going to be using comments as a way of marking. So when you want to insert a comment, you are going to highlight the area that you want to comment about. Once you highlight the area, there will be a little plus that comes up to the right of the screen, and you're going to click on that plus. Once you click on the plus, you will get the tab to write a comment. At the right side, 3 dots will appear, and from there you can add the comment to the comment bank. So if you add the comment to the comment bank, it means that the comment will be saved. So if you have other documents that you are going to mark other students' work, instead of typing over your comments, you can always go to your comment bank and select that specific comment, and it will be placed automatically. So when you want to move from your comment bank back to marking the document, all you have to do is just click the icon here above the comment bank icon. So here I'm just going to insert the grade for the student, and I'm going to leave up a private comment saying that the assignment is incomplete. I'm going to post the comment, and then I'm going to return the assignment. You can see that when you exit the assignment, it shows how many are marked instead of assigned or handed in. So from here, we're going to hop back over to the students portal to see the received file. So we're back at the students portal, and we're just going to look at the returned document. Notice that the scores are right there. The attachments are there, the private comment is there. So the students will click on the Google Docs file to see the changes that were made, and right away they can see the comments that were made, and there's a tick beside each comment as well. So this is a good way in which you can explain to your students what they did wrong and what they could have done better. I'm going to resubmit the assignment because we're going to use this same assignment to show you how to mark using your cell phone or tablet. Let's jump over to the cell phone to show you how. Now I'm going to show you how to mark your student's assignment from your cell phone or your tablet. Now for both these gadgets, the same rules apply. We're going to click on the classroom, go to our demo class, and we're going to be using the same assignment. So go to classwork, click on the assignment. Notice that this was resubmitted, so you're going to see the marks here. I'm going to click on the student. I'm going to see both of the documents, so I'm going to click on the one that I want to manipulate, and this is where the changes come in. When you're using the phone or tablet, you will have the option to do much more editing. So you're going to click on the pencil icon. Notice at the bottom of the page you will see 3 pens, so you can click on one of them and you can choose your color. Once you have chosen your color, so you can mark. So you can mark from there, or if you have a comment, you can click on the A. Then you can draw a text box, and from there you can type something in. Complete. So once you have finished the text box, so if you want to make this text smaller, you can pinch your screen and bring it in. You want to put it there. If you wanted to change the color, you could have done so as well. So once you are finished making edits to the document, you're going to select the three dots to the top right hand corner, click on save. Those changes would have been saved. Notice that a new document came up, edited, so it shows that it's the edited document. So from here you can choose to add another private comment, or you can just select return and return the document to the student. Because in this case we had already received the assignment, you are returning a resubmitted document. It's going to say update, but if it's the first time that you are returning it, it will ask you to return once more. So exit from that, and then the document would have been returned. So if I wanted to change the grade for the student, I would do that right here. So if they got a better mark, I would put their grade right there before returning. So before returning the document, I would put the grade and then return the document to them. Notice that the changes would be made there. That is all for marking the names of your students. As you can see, it's very simple using Google Classroom, whether you're using a tablet, smartphone, or your computer. I hope you understood. If there's anything that you would like me to explain, you can go ahead and leave that in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer your questions. Please subscribe to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. Thanks for tuning in.